Ayan, matapos nilang ma-check kung saan galing ang leak, nag-start na silang magtrabaho. Binalutan nila ang buong paligid ng plastic cover upang hindi maalikabukan ang ibang parte ng bahay. Yung couch ay tinanggal din nila. Pero yung mga picture frames dyan at saka yung mga nasa isang tabi sa malapit sa walls, hindi na nila tinanggal. Kasi natakpan naman ng plastic. And here is the living room. The popcorn ceiling has been removed and changed it into a plain paint, white paint. And here is in the foyer. They also removed the popcorn ceiling here and changed it into plain white paint. And so the couch are already returned in place. May apo ako, so playpen niya.